Do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, I'll show you how to draw side elevation of a building in AutoCAD. So let's get started. So in my previous video, we have already discussed about elevation. So what is elevation? Elevation is one side outward view of a building and it is drawn in vertical manner with reference to the plan. Okay. Now when a building is seen by standing in front of it, then what we see is known as front elevation. Now in case it is seen by standing from a side, then this is called side elevation. Okay. So in this video, we will prepare side elevation. Okay. So I have already prepared all these plans in my previous videos. Okay. So this is front elevation. This is multi-story front elevation. This is multi-story sectional elevation. This is multi-story staircase sectional elevation. And this is multi-story rear elevation. Okay. And now we'll prepare side elevation. Okay. So for that we need to copy this floor plan first. Okay. So this is the floor plan. So we need to copy this. So select, copy. Now copy to this side. Okay. Now we'll prepare this side elevation. This is east side. Okay. See, this is north, south, west, east. Okay. North, south, east, west. So this is east side. Okay. So for that we need to rotate this. First delete all the extra things. Delete this. We don't need this section lines. So delete this also. Now we need to rotate this plan. Okay. So rotate command or enter. Now select. Now rotate. Okay. Now it's done. Now I'll move this. Select, move. I'll move this to here. Move this to this point. Okay. Now it's done. Now I'll use line command here first. Okay. We'll see this side view. Okay. So take line command. I'll enter. Now specify first point here, make a turn and specify second point here. Now consider this line as ground level, GL. Okay. Now here I am taking ground level to plinth level height 2 feet and 6 inch. Okay. So give offset. Give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select this ground level and click in upward direction. Okay. So this is ground level and this is plinth level. Okay. PL. Now come back to the plan. Now here first we'll see this column. Okay. Then this wall and this wall. Okay. Here we can see the thickness of this column. Okay. As there is no wall, so we can see the thickness of column. Okay. But here we can see only the outer line of wall. Okay. External, this is the external wall. Here also we can see the outer line of the wall. So XL means construction line. Okay. Now we need vertical lines here. So press V for vertical. Okay. Now click here. Again click on this side. We can see the thickness here. Okay. Now click here on this wall. Now click on this side wall. Okay. Now I'll create plinth projection, that is 6 inch. So give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line, click to this side. Again select this line and click to this side. Okay. Now trim all the extra lines. TR. Select and trim all the extra lines. I am showing you very slowly. Trim all these lines also. we need to trim all these lines. Okay. So this is plinth level and this is ground level. Okay. So I'll copy this text. Copy. If you want to create new text, you can. Now move this. Alright. This is ground level and this is plinth level. Okay. Now here this is plinth projection. Dimension linear. This is 6-inch plinth projection. Okay. Alright. So now I'll create roof slab. Okay. So for roof slab, I'll take building height 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. 10 feet and 6 inches building height from plinth level. Okay. Now select plinth level and click on upward direction. Click here. Okay. Now here to here this building height is 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. Now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. So give offset again. Give offset distance 4 inch. Now select this line and click. Okay. Now this is, go to dimension linear. Now here this is roof slab thickness 4 inch. This is the roof slab. Roof slab thickness is 4 inch. And here this is building height 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. So if you understand, this is roof slab and this is building height. Okay. Now I'll create roof slab projection. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Okay. Now trim extra lines. Okay. Now here if you don't want to show the roof slab projection, then you can omit this step. Okay. You can omit this step. Okay. Okay. Building can also be constructed without showing the roof slab projection. Okay. So if you don't want to show the roof slab projection, then you can omit this. Okay. Alright. Now also trim all the extra lines here. So give trim command, tr enter, select this line. Now trim all these lines. Alright. Okay. This is roof slab and building height. This is roof slab 4 inch roof slab thickness and this is 10 feet and 6 inch building height. Okay. So hope you understand. Now give offset distance 7 feet. This is lintel slab. Now select the plinth level and click. Lintel slab is 7 feet from plinth level. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. Again take offset distance 3 inch. Now select this line and click. So this is lintel slab thickness 3 inch and lintel slab height is 7 feet from plinth level. Now come to the plan. Now this is Chaza. Okay, I'll take projection from here. So Excel, take Excel, press V for vertical. Now click here. Click here on Chaza. Again click here on this side Chaza. Okay. Now extend this towards this line. Extend this towards also this side. Okay. EX enter. Now select this line. Again select this line. Extend the lintel slab. Okay. Extend this side. Also extend this side. Now trim extra lines. Okay. This is the lintel slab and Chaza. Okay. Trim here, also trim here. Okay. So this is the lintel slab. So now come to the plan. So here first we'll show window You can see here this window with this Jaza, okay. Then this door and this W1 window, this is the ventilator and this is the window, okay. So first I'll create the window. So take construction line, Excel, okay. This is the balcony, okay. So first we can see the here we need to make the extended portion of the balcony roof, okay. Okay. This is the balcony, this is the window, this is the W1, this is the W, okay. So Excel, V for vertical lines, okay. So click on this side, click on this side, again click on this side Jaza, click on this side Jaza, okay. Now click on this window, again click on this window. I'll create window first and click on this Jaza, okay. Now I'll create all the windows first, and this is W, this is W1 and this is W, okay. So let's check the dimension. This is the reference dimension, so move this to here, okay. So W is 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inch height, okay. So check rectangle REC, take rectangle REC, enter. Now specify first point here on this point, right click, go to dimensions. Now specify length 5 feet, enter. Now specify height 4 feet and 6 inch, enter. So this is the window is created, okay. Now delete this and these two lines, okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch, select this line and click inside, okay. Now draw a line on midpoint, L, enter. Now specify first point here and second point here, draw on midpoint, okay. Now give offset of 1 inch to each side, give offset distance 1 inch, select this line, click to this side, select this line and click to this side. Now delete the middle line, okay. So this is the window created, okay. Now I'll create the Jaza, okay. So give offset distance 1 feet. Now select this line, and click, okay. Now take rectangle, okay. Specify first point here and second point here on this point. Hope you understand how to create Jaza with window, okay. Now delete these two lines, select and delete, okay. Also delete this line. Now trim, select this line and trim, okay. Now this is the W, this is also W, so I'll copy this to this, okay. So I'll trim first, select this line, okay. Now select this line, now trim, okay. Now this is the window. Now I'll copy this window to here, okay. So select, copy. Now specify best point here and click here. Okay, see, this is the window. Now trim this line also. Okay, now delete all these lines. So this is the window. Now if you want to check again, Excel, V, click here and click here. See, this is the window. Okay. Alright, now I'll create this W1. So for this we need lintel slab again. So extend. This is the chaza. Okay, this is the lintel slab. Okay. So W1 is 3 feet into 4 feet 6 inch height. Okay. So give offset. Sorry, take rectangle. This is 3 feet into 4 feet 6 inch height. Take rectangle REC. Now specify first point here. Right click, dimensions. Now 3 feet length. Enter. Now specify height 4 feet and 6 inch. Enter. Now this is the window created. Now delete these two lines. Also trim the lintel slab. Okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Now select this line and click inside. Now draw a line on midpoint. Same procedure. I'll enter and click here and click here. Now give offset of 1 inch to each side. So give offset distance 1 inch. Select this line, click to this side, select and click to this side. Now delete the middle line. So this is the window. Okay. So this is W and this is W1. Okay. Now here this is D1. This is the door. We can see the door here also. Excel. Then press V for vertical. Now click here. Click here. I am showing you very slowly and step by step so that it will be easy to understand. Okay. Here also we need lintel slab again. Okay. So I'll just draw a line. I'll enter. Okay. Alright. So now this is D1. So D1 is 3 feet 6 inch into 7 feet height. Okay. So take rectangle REC. This is the lintel slab. Okay. Lintel slab label. This is. Okay. You can check here. Extend this. Same thing. Okay. Alright. So this is D1 3 feet 6 inch in 7 feet height. Okay. So take rectangle REC, enter, specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions, specify length 3 feet and 6 inch, enter. Now specify height 7 feet, enter. So this is the door. Okay. Now trim lintel slab. Right. Now this is the door. Delete these two lines. So trim this line. Okay. Now give offset. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line. Click inside. Okay. So this is the door. Okay. So hope you understand. This is W, this is W1, this is door, this is also W. Okay. Now next I'll create the ventilator V. Excel V. Now click here. This is the ventilator. Click here. Again click here. Same procedure. Right. Now draw a line here for lintel slab mark. Okay. Now ventilator size is 2 feet into 1 feet height. Okay, 2 feet length, 1 feet height. Rectangle, specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions, specify length 2 feet, enter, specify height 1 feet, enter. So this is the ventilator created. Now delete all the extra lines. Alright. Now give offset. Give offset distance 2 inch. Select this line and click inside. This is the ventilator. Okay. Now see, this is W, this is W, and this is the chaza. Okay. This is W1. Here we don't need chaza because as there is balcony, this is door, this is ventilator. Okay. And this is window with chaza. This is window and chaza. Okay. This is the balcony. Okay. We need to mark the extended portion of the roof slab and roof slab projection. Excel V for vertical. Now click here on this side. Click here on this side. Okay. This is the extended portion of the roof. We can see we need to mark here. This is the bar. This was the baranda on ground floor. Okay. And here this is the cantilever balcony. Okay. This is the balcony. Now give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Roof slab projection. Okay. Select, click to this side. Select, click to this side. Now trim extra lines. Trim this. Okay, we can see this, the balcony roof, extended portion of the roof slab of balcony. Okay, we can see this. Now give offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. This is baranda slope. Okay, this is the baranda slope. We'll take line command, L enter. Now 6 inch. Now close this with this point. Again take line command, L enter, specify first point here 6 inch. Now close this with this point. So this is the baranda slope, okay, or balcony slope. Okay. Now delete all the extra lines. Select, delete, sorry. We need to trim all the extra lines. Trim this, also trim this. Now delete these 2 lines. Okay. Also delete these 2 lines. Okay. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line and click. So this is the baranda or balcony slope. Okay. Ground floor plan, this is baranda slope, and first floor this is balcony slope. Okay. Now here we can see the parapet wall. Okay. Here this is the utility. So we can see here from this side the parapet wall of this utility. Okay. And here we can see the parapet wall of this cantilever balcony. Okay. We can see. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select this line, this is the roof slab, and click. Okay. Now L enter. Now draw a line here. You can take projection line from this point and this point. Okay. Okay, this is the same point. Alright. Now we need to extend this side and this side line. EX enter. Select this line. So extend this line. Also extend this line. Okay. Now give offset. First trim all the extra lines. Trim this line. Also trim this line. Okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click, select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now here select, click to this side. Okay. Now extend and trim all the extra lines. If you want to fillet here, you can also fillet. Okay, extend this line. Okay, now trim all the extra lines. If you want to use fillet command here, also you can use, right? Trim all the extra lines, trim here also, sorry, again trim command, trim this line. See, I am showing you very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. Again trim this line. If you want to use fillet command, then that's very good. You can use fillet command here. Okay, now extend this line. Alright, now again trim command, select all the lines. Now trim, select, trim, so trim this line, again trim this line and trim this line. Okay, now delete this line. So see, we need to trim this line also. Okay, now hope you understand. This is the parapet wall. Okay, this is the roof slab projection of extended portion of the balcony roof slab. Okay, this is the balcony, this is the veranda slope. Okay, this is the parapet wall, this is the parapet wall of utility area. Okay, now here we need to make the slope also. So give offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. Select this line and click. Again select this line, click to this side. Okay, now extend this line towards this. Okay, now I'll enter. Now specify first point here 6 inch. Now close this with this point. Okay, now trim all the extra lines here. Okay, trim this. Here due to the slope we cannot see this length. Okay, trim this, trim this and trim this. Okay, so due to this slope we can't see this much length. Okay, so this is the balcony slope or veranda slope. Okay, this is the parapet wall and this is also the parapet wall of this utility area and this is the slope of this utility area. Okay, now give offset. Sorry, I will hatch this. I'll do box hatch. Okay, make scale suppose 30. Okay, now at pick point, now click inside, enter, again hatch at pick point, click inside, enter. Okay, now I'll hatch the slope. Okay, change the this is earth. Okay, now at pick point click inside, enter, again hatch at pick point. Sorry, we need to offset here. Take offset, give offset distance 3 inch, select this line, click. Okay, again now hatch at pick point, click inside, enter. Okay, this is done. Now I'll change the scale of this hatch. Now double click on this hatch. I'll make this to 25. Okay, now I'll do match properties, MA to this. Okay, also I'll change the scale of this, double click. Now I'll make this to suppose 35. Okay, now again select and match properties, select this. Okay, so hope you understand. This is the ground floor elevation, ground floor side elevation. Okay, see, you can check window. This is the roof slab. Okay, this is W1 door. This is W. Okay, now I'll copy this. Okay, this is the ground floor. Now I'll create the first floor. Okay, so click here. This is the base point. Now click here. Click here. First floor. Again click here. This is the second floor. Again click here. This is the third floor. And finally click here. This is the fourth floor. Okay, so hope you understand. Right, so first, second, third, fourth. Now here, due to this parapet wall and this parapet wall, we are not able to see, we can't see this much length, okay, of this column and this door and window. Okay, so trim extra lines, select this line and trim. Just imagine, you can understand. Okay, due to this parapet wall, okay, we can see the parapet wall. So due to this parapet wall, we are not able to see the this much length. Okay, so hope you understand. So next, also trim here, trim, select this line, again trim this. Okay, trim this line also. Okay, we can't see this much length. Okay, again trim on this floor, trim this, also trim this, again trim here. Hope you understand now. This is the parapet wall, so we cannot see the length. We can see only the upper length. We can't see this much length only. Now trim here, again trim, select this line, trim this, also trim this. Again trim this. Okay, so hope you understand. Now here also we need to trim. Here due to this parapet wall, we can't see this length of this column. Okay, so column is there but we can't see due to the parapet wall. Okay, trim this, again. Okay, now here again trim this, trim this side, again on this floor trim this, and trim this side. Alright, so hope you understand. So here also doors and windows are already there but we can't see due to the parapet wall. So hope you understand. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, now here on the roof we can see the complete parapet wall. Okay, here on the last floor means on roof we can see the complete parapet wall. Okay, that is the complete parapet wall. Okay, so give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line and click. Now extend this line to this line. EX enter. Select this line. Now extend this. Okay. Now trim this line here. Okay. Now offset. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this. Click to this side. First to delete the extra lines. Okay, only delete these two horizontal lines. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click to upward direction. Now okay, trim this line. No, I can trim this line. I want to trim here. So first delete this horizontal line and this horizontal line. Okay, now delete this line also, delete this. Okay, now trim here this line and this line. Okay, now here give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Now extend this line towards this. Now again trim. If you want to use fillet command here, you can use. Okay, now this is the complete parapet wall. Okay, now hatch this at 25 at pick point. Click inside and click inside, enter. Okay, see, this is the complete parapet wall of roof. Okay, here to here this is the balcony parapet wall. Okay, this is the balcony. We can see this from, you can see this first. Okay, this is the balcony parapet wall. Okay, now this is the rest of the parapet wall of complete roof. Okay, next I'll create the staircase headroom. So take Excel, V for vertical, click here. Okay, click here and click here. Right, so take offset distance 8 feet. Now select roof slab. This is the roof slab. Okay, now click, this is the roof slab, click on upward direction. Okay, now I'll create the roof slab thickness 4 inch. Select offset 4 inch, select, click. Okay, now roof slab projection, give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim. Trim here. Again trim, select this line and trim. Now we need to trim this line also. Again trim. This is the parapet wall. So due to this parapet wall we cannot see this parapet wall length. Okay, see, this is the utility area. Okay, here there will be the parapet wall. So here this headroom, staircase headroom. So due to this parapet wall we cannot see this much length of this staircase headroom. Okay, staircase headroom is there but we cannot see due to the parapet wall only. Understand? So trim this. Okay, this is the staircase headroom. Okay, staircase headroom is there but we cannot see due to the parapet wall. Now I'll hatch this. Now I'll choose okay. Now change scale to suppose 40 at pick point. Click inside. Enter. Okay. Now this is the staircase headroom. So hope you understand. This is the staircase headroom. Okay. Now see, this is the door. Door to entrance to the roof is on this side. So we are not able to see the door here. Okay. Here we can't see the door. This is the first, second, third, fourth floor, and this is the parapet wall. This is the parapet wall of balcony. Okay, here to here, this is the parapet wall of balcony. Okay, this is the balcony. We can see this. Okay, this is the balcony. Okay, and this is the rest parapet wall of complete roof, and this is the staircase headroom. Okay, so this is window, this is the column, this is the utility area, slope of utility area. Okay, this is the column, this column, as there is no walls, so we can see the complete thickness of this column. Okay, so this is the column. Okay, this is the slope of this utility area, this is the utility area. Okay, this is window. Okay, this is W1 and door, this is W1 and door, this is the ventilator V, and this is the W, this is ventilator, and this is the window. Okay, this is the balcony. You can see the extended portion of the balcony roof, and this is the roof slab, roof slope, balcony slope. This is the parapet wall of portico. Okay, this is the charza projection. This is the charza projection. Okay, so hope you understand. This is the side elevation. Here this is the parapet wall, this door and window. Okay, this door and windows are there, but due to this parapet wall we are not able to see the door and window of parapet wall length. Okay, hope you understand. Now here on rear elevation, I forgot to add the door of the staircase headroom here. Okay, this is the staircase headroom. Okay, here the door to entrance to roof is in this side. Okay, on this side. So from here we can see the door on staircase headroom, because if the door is on another side, then we are not able to see the door on staircase headroom. Okay, but here the door is on this side. So take Excel, V for vertical. Now click here and click here. Okay, here the door to entrance to roof is on this side. So we can see the door here. Now offset, give offset distance 7 feet. Select. This is the roof slab. Okay, click here. This is the lintel slab label. Okay, this is the door. Okay, and door is 4 feet into 7 feet height. REC, enter. Now specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions. 4 feet, enter. Now length 7 feet, height 7 feet, enter. And this is the door created. Now delete all the extra lines. Delete this. Now here, due to this parapet wall, we can't see this much length of this door. Trim, select and trim this much length of this door. Door is here, but we can't see due to the parapet wall. Okay, now 3-inch offset to inside. Okay, now I'll hatch at pick point and click inside. So hope you understand. Okay. From here we can see the door. Okay, this is the door. Okay. So this is the rear elevation which I have already created in my previous video, and this is the side elevation. Okay. This is the multi-story side elevation. This is multi-story side elevation. This is east side elevation. So hope you understand how to create the side elevation. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.